In this video, I'm going to show you how to add database to Notion. So after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on the page where we would like to add a Notion database into. So let's say for this video, we have here the list of pages that we have. Let's say we're going to use new page in here. When you click this will then open the workspace wherein you can input the database that you would like to do or use inside your Notion. So you input first the title, let's say database. Then in here, you start putting the blocks. To activate the block selection options, we simply type a slash in here. And as you can see, this will open up the command filter. Now we simply scroll down in here on the blocks that we have. And when you scroll down, you can see that in here on the bottom part, you can see that there's a database in here. You simply locate the database. Here we go, database section, and we have various database tools, charts that we can use in order to add data that can monitor progress or any other relevant purpose. As you can see in here, we have table view, board view, gallery view, list view, and other graphics or other representations in here. Let's say we're going to use line chart. And once you use line chart, you simply input all the values for the line chart. And after that, you have now successfully added a database to your Notion workspace. And that's about it. That's how to add database to Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.